Welcome to Earth, where trash is performance art. Is this some kind of welcoming ritual? This is freezing my brains in a... What a primitive device! It doesn't respond to Glugonian brainwaves at all. Brother, I think we have to touch it, and I think it can take pictures too.
You see the forest? There's these art stickers. It must be enough for a galactic journey. Sorry, kid.
It's not a scary monster like in our guidebook, Xylo.
What are these potential rituals, Zira?
I already joined in herself.
Xylo, let's ride these spinning creatures. They look less dangerous than the pushing up to up there.
They look less dangerous. They look less dangerous.
With this, we can blend in without anyone suspecting a thing.
Nothing poses as good as feelers of bit. Shit.
Xylo, Earthlings have such spectacular rituals.
Is this like in the stars? His thing, John.
Wait, Silo.
Farewell, Earth. See you again.